It's a hot day, your AC just died, and the outside unit is silent. Ugh, let's figure this out.
So before you call for a pricey repair, there are a few things you can easily check yourself. And don't worry, the most common fixes are super simple. We'll start with the easiest ones first.
All right, first up, head to your main breaker panel and look for the one labeled for your AC. If it's tripped, flip it all the way off.
Then back on. This simple reset fixes a ton of issues.
Next, find the disconnect box outside. You want to make sure that pull-out switch is pushed in tight. And then just wait, seriously. Some units have a safety delay that can last up to 30 minutes. Still not working? Okay, now it's time to use your ears. What you hear or don't hear is a big clue. Hear a humming sound? Believe it or not, that's good news. It means the unit has power. That hum usually points to this little guy, a failed capacitor. It's the most common AC repair, by far. Okay, listen up, because this is the single most important safety rule we're going to cover. Just remember this number, 2. If that breaker trips a second time, you absolutely need to stop. A second trip means there's a real fault. Resetting it again risks some very serious electrical damage. So if you run into any of these signs, it's definitely time to stop troubleshooting and call a professional.
Now, I know you're probably worried about the cost, but let's put things into perspective, shall we?
See? That capacitor fix is one of the most affordable repairs. A compressor, though, that's a different story.
So please, don't assume the worst. In most cases, it's a much simpler and less expensive part.
So let's recap. Remembering these 4 simple points can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress.
Now that you know the fix, here's a bigger question. Could this whole headache have been prevented?